Hi, I'm Don Haggis, for those who don't know me, and I'm Crazy Don for those who do. So I hope you enjoyed the little train layout here. It's been fun. This is a special occasion. I've been working on this layout for 5 years, and tomorrow I begin to tear it down because I'm moving. Never quite finished it. If you look around, I would say it might be about 50% complete, and you might wonder where the rest is, but I can assure you there's plenty to be done. And for you train lovers, you know that. This began, as many folks who do trains, started a passion when I was a kid with my dad and my family, and it was a Christmas thing when you put the train around the tree, and it was fun. And then when you get old, you start playing with trains again, and that's what's really in the hobby. Most train aficionados are older guys who liked it as a kid. And that's what I've done here. It's a little replication here of the Pennsylvania Railroad, the Lehigh Valley Railroad, the Reading lines that kind of covers Pennsylvania. And then coming into New England, we have New England, we have the Boston and Maine, and we have the Maine Central line. And then there's a few other lines that are still in the boxes under the layout here. A lot of this layout is vintage, late 40s, early 50s, from the Plasticville, which is all original, which you would have played with as a child back then, to some of the other equipment, which was Department 56. And this really, most of the layout here replicates a time period in the early 1950s. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you're around tomorrow, come on over and you can help me start to take it down. I figure it'll probably take me a week to tear it up. Thanks for watching. from Pittsburgh, recognize you?
cool.
So after the room was ready, it was about 5 years for the